To fix Bluetooth disappeared from Windows 11, shut down Windows 11 completely, then disconnect the charger. If your laptop has a removable battery, then remove it. Press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. Afterwards, leave the laptop powered off for 2 to 3 minutes. Reconnect the charger, then turn the laptop on and check if your Bluetooth appear again. If that doesn't work, then follow our next method. Right-click on Start, select Run, or either you can click in Search, type Services, select Run as Administrator. Here you need to find 3 services: Bluetooth Support Services, Bluetooth User Support Service, Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service. Once you'll find all of these services, simply right-click on it, select Properties. First, change the startup type to automatic. If your service status of the service is showing stopped, then click on Start, select Apply and OK. If it's already running, then simply right-click on it, select Restart. Do the same for all 3 services, and afterward click on Start and restart your computer and check if that helped you to fix your problem. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.